Welcome back, everybody. Today we're talking about similarity and dilations. Looking at this example here, we have two triangles. We need to determine if they are in fact similar. Well, two triangles are similar if all three angles are the same measure. And looking at the bigger triangle here, ABC, 60, 60, and due to the triangle sum theorem, the third missing angle, 60. We have the same situation over here on the smaller triangle, DEF. Given that both triangles have the exact same angle measures, their sides are different, but the angle measures are the same. These are, in fact, similar triangles. Alright, let's look at another one here. It says Jamal is making two paintings using canvases that are similar rectangles. The length of the smaller canvas is 3 by 5. What is the length of the larger canvas if the width is 10? Now, let's try to draw this situation here. Alright, it says the smaller one is 3 by 5 and the larger one has a width of 10. Width is 10 like this. There we go. And we need to find the length, this value here. So finding a missing measurement of two similar figures, you can just simply set up a proportion. I can make the fraction 5 over 3 and set it equal to 10 over x. Crisscross multiply, you can take 5 times x to get 5x. You can take 10 times 3 to get 30. And divide both sides by 5. X is equal to 6. Our missing side is 6 feet. Let's look at this next one. Pre-image ABCD was dilated to produce image A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime. What's the scale factor from the pre-image to the image? So we start big and we go small. It's the reduction. To find the scale factor, simply take the measurement of the second object, or your second number, and divide it by the first number. So this would be 9 divided by 12. Now that reduces to 3/4, so we can say the scale factor is 3/4. If you want to say decimal, 0.75. We can say the second image is 3/4 the size of the first image. Now this next problem talks about this word expansion. When you see expansion, expansion is the same thing as an enlargement, just another way of saying enlargement. And you know you have an enlargement if your scale factor is greater than 1. So which of these numbers here would give us expanded images? 7 would and 8 would. Those two are enlargements, also known as expansions, whereas the 0.7 and 0.8 would be reductions. They would make the objects smaller. Alright, look at one more here. It says the length of line AB is 9 centimeters. Line AB. And we're going to apply a scale factor of 2. Alright, scale factor of 2 would double the length of the line, so this line is approximately double. Call it A prime, B prime, because it's a dilated image. And 9 times 2 is 18. So we went from 9 centimeters to 18 centimeters if we have a scale factor of 2. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps you understand scale factors and dilations.